Dear children, long, long ago there was a little girl. Her parents had died and she was left alone in a poor condition. She had to do a lot of work in a rich man's house. She fetched water, cooked food, and took care of the children. And in exchange for so much work, she would only get 2 pieces of bread. Playing and jumping, she could not even rest for 2 hours. That man was very clever and ruthless, and his wife was 2 steps ahead of him. One night, the moon was shining in the sky, and it was very cold outside. The rich man's wife asked the girl to fetch water. The pond water was also frozen from above. The girl made a hole in the snow and started returning home after filling the bucket of water. When she reached near the house, she fell and all the water flowed away. The girl was scared. She could not go home with an empty bucket. She was standing at the door trembling with fear. The moon was laughing in the sky. The girl said to the moon, "Hey, beautiful moon, look how sad I am. Help me, save me from these cruel people. They will kill me." The moon came down to the earth after hearing her cry. He was disguised as a handsome young man and was wearing white clothes. Moon's elder brother, Sun, also heard the cry of the girl. He also came down to earth in the form of a man wearing golden clothes. Sun said to the moon, "I have come to take this miserable girl. Give her to me, since I am older to you." The moon said, "It is good that you are older, dear sun, but it is night now, and I am the ruler of the night. This girl asked me for help, so I shall help her and I will take her with me." The moon lifted the baby girl in its arms and flew to the sky. Since then, that little girl lives in the moon. When you see the moon of the 14th day, you will see her laughing and singing in it.